Hello guys, welcome back and welcome to 15th Ratio Nabi Shop. So ngayon, meron akong ipapakita sa inyong unit. Ito ay unit ni Ma'am Jamie Ann Santos ng Bulacan. This is the 2011 High Kappa T-Rex Silver Slide Semi and Full Automatic version. So this is the box, full auto. So this is semi and full automatic version. Ayan, T-Rex WE brand, made in Taiwan, airsoft gun. Okay, it comes with free number 12 green gas, and also comes with free 0.20 grams 4,000 shots BBs. So buksan na natin. This is the owner's manual. Scan nyo lang yung QR code. It comes with the mounting plate para sa red dot sight. So this is for red dot sight. The magazine, 30 rounder magazine. Yan, 30 rounder magazine. Made of steel. This is the outlet valve. This is the inlet valve. May screw pa yan dyan. Okay, and then, lagyan natin ng gas later. And syempre, yung unit, 2011 High Kappa T-Rex. Yan. So, with full automatic siya. So, hindi siya ambidextrous ready, manual safety. Kasi, itong side na to, ito yung, yan yung switch para sa semi and full automatic. And yung side na to, ito naman yung manual safety. Okay? Extended ambidextrous. Yan, skeletonized hammer, also with the trigger, fiber optic sight, front and rear. So rear side, sa front is fiber optic na din. Then sa rear, fiber optic, adjustable, elevation lang. Wala siyang windage. Okay? So serrated na rin yung slide niya, front and rear. Ayan, with the markings, WE Technology Universal, the sticker made in Taiwan. This is just a sticker. Then, cutted barrel na rin, both side, meron na rin siyang cut. Also on top, meron na rin siya. With the grooves, no? Yan, with the groove style. So, this is the custom design of 2011. Then, meron na rin siyang rail for flashlight. And, threaded barrel na rin siya for suppressors, tracer units. Pwede ka maglagay dyan ng tracer units. Mas maganda tracer units ang ilagay mo para forma. Okay, so ito, removable, adjustable. So, pwede kayo maglagay ng red dot sight, optic sight. So, this is the plate na mention ko kanina. Okay, so 30 rounder capacity, pero we suggest na much better siguro. Para sa amin, much better na half lang yung BBs na ilalagay nating load, no? Yung rounds. Kung 30 siya, much better. Kung 15 lang or 10, para yung spring hindi siya compress, no? Hindi siya compress. Then, paglalagay ng gas, inverted position. Okay, pag ganito, so this is the magazine, no? Yung position is inverted, and this is the loading nozzle. Tamba. Yes, loading, the nozzle pala, not loading nozzle. The nozzle of the gas. And then, center mo lang yan. Once na center, yan, upside down, yan, inverted position, then press. Okay, press mo lang. So, pag press mo siya, kailangan naka-center talaga siya, then press. So, 3 segundo lang, okay na. Okay, pangit din kasi yung overcharge ng gas. Okay? Ma'am Jamie Santos of Bulacan. So, ayun nga. It comes with the gas and the free BBs. So, ayan. Check natin pala yung manual safety. So, kailangan nakakasa siya bago mo siya ma-activate. Okay. So, gumagana siya. Manual safety. Then, down. Fire. Okay. And then, itong side na to, itong sa kabila, this is the switch. This is the switch for yung kanyang fire mode, no? So, the selector switch for yung mode niya, kung gusto mo siyang i-full auto, gusto mo siyang i-semi-auto. So, kung full auto, baba mo lang. Kung semi-auto, angat mo lang. Okay? So, test din natin mamaya yung semi and yung full automatic. Okay, with markings. Yan. Markings. Okay, this is 5.1. Yung haba ng barrel niya is 5.1. So, rated na yung slide. Okay, the other side naman, ito yung tsura. Tapos, naka-magwell na siya, then staple grip, stippling na siya, very aggressive. Extended na rin yung beaver tail niya. Ayan. Okay, ganda niya. Okay, so ngayon, chronograph test natin. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS ito. Okay, Ma'am Jamie, this is your high kappa T-Rex silver slide with semi and full automatic. This is the semi and full automatic version. Chronograph test tayo. Okay. Firing. 360. Next. 355. 348. 348. So, nag-range siya from 348 to 360. Okay. Semi-automatic. Okay. Firing. Okay. Full automatic. Baba mo lang yung selector. Firing. Yan. So, nag-open slide siya. Okay. Nabitin ba kayo? So, reload tayo. Medyo nabitin. So, reload tayo. So, hindi na kailangan mag-charge ulit ng gas kasi meron pa naman siya. Once you press the outlet valve at medyo matigas, so, meron pa siyang laman. So, reload tayo. So, hayaan ko lang siyang naka-open chamber. Then, reload tayo.